In this video, we will talk about the journal term list, and for the journal, why I think these are required. Here is a library. Here is a library of avian influenza virus, which we have prepared in our last discussions, lectures. Here you can see as these references are imported from the different databases, and those databases are PubMed and ScienceDirect. And here these articles, highlighted articles, are from the Polity Science Journal. Here, the complete name of the Polity Science is written here. Just here you can see complete name. But here, in for this article, an abbreviation of the Polity Science Journal is used. But the style is same. The output style is Polity Science. I am selecting is APA. Again, for the APA here, in this style, abbreviation is used, but here in this reference, full name is used. How we can cope up with this issue? For that, we have to go to tools and then open term list. And from the open term list, we have to click on the general term list. Here is a complete list of the journals. Then on the other hand, you can see other columns that will contain abbreviation 1, 2, and 3. Which in the first step, I have to delete all the term list. I am selecting all the term list and then delete the term list. So there is not any term list right now uh, in this library. And to incorporate the new term list, I have to click on the list. I have to select the list, and then again for the journals, I am double clicking the journals, and for that I am clicking on the create list, import list. For import list, here here are some term lists that are built in and are present within the EndNote folder within the C part of this computer. And as you know, this library is related to avian influenza that may fall within the biosciences. So I am importing the term list, general term list for biosciences category, and here you can see more than 6,231 terms inserted into the general term list. Okay, then I am importing the term list from zoological records. There may be some articles within this category. Opening it and updating the term list. Then okay. Then again I am importing the term list related to Korean medical terms. Okay, open. Okay, then I am importing the term list of medical. Yes, here medical. Open. Okay, then the term list related to the field of avian influenza that may fall within the medical sciences, biological sciences, or life sciences have been imported within the EndNote. And now I am closing this window. Now you can see again, although here an abbreviation is used for the highlighted reference, but in the preview you can see the complete name is used instead of the short, instead of the abbreviation of the journal name. Here again, although here abbreviations are shown, but in the preview, full name of the journal is shown. If I'm interested to change this style to annotated, for that I'm clicking on annotated, and for that you can see the style is changed in the preview. And then if I'm interested in the Vancouver style, here I have clicked on that. Here you can see automatically the journal name is abbreviated here for all the references. So in this way you can incorporate the term list within your library, and that can be used for the further citations into the Word or into the PowerPoint.